For years, we have been creating decorative stones, decorative bricks, and fiber wall panels that add character to your spaces, reflect your style, and bring an aesthetic touch to your environment. We are dedicated to providing durable and visually appealing products tailored to meet the needs of our customers. At Piks Stone, we combine the finest textures of nature with modern designs to offer unique solutions for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Our products come in a wide range to suit every taste and requirement. Our fiber wall panels, known for their ease of use and eco-friendly design, add a natural look to your space while being long-lasting and durable. Our decorative stones and bricks blend aesthetics with functionality, enhancing your surroundings in every way. Quality materials, modern design, and superior craftsmanship. These are the values Piks Stone brings to you. We are here to help your home and business spaces reflect your style in the best way possible. Join us and let us bring a fresh touch to your spaces. Piks Stone, an aesthetic touch for your spaces.